For those that are new to forex trading, I told you just two apps I'm using. So this is the first one, which is the MetaTrader 5. Now once you open the app, this is how it will be. Sorry, this is not supposed to show here. Okay, once you click this place, you see get started. Get started. So just click get started. Then you click this plus sign that's here to add account. Now you see different. You might not see any brokers here. I've logged in many brokers on this app. I delete my accounts because I want to do this video. So you see different you can search brokers that you want to use. So I want everybody to use the JEREH, which is this one. This JEREH. So just search JEREH, the search bar, or JEREH. Search JEREH. Now you see many JEREH here. You see JEREH, they are much. So now which one will you choose? Choose the SVG LCC. So that's the one you will choose. Now this is the most important part. You see open a demo account. You see login here. So this login is for real accounts. So you are not logging, you are not putting password, anything. So you are just opening a demo account. So just click this open a demo account. Now you click on register. So accept. Then click the register. You can decide how much you want to bring in the account. If it's $3,000, $5,000, $10,000. But I'll be going with $3,000. Just so this is not a real account. This is not a real account. This is a demo account for practicing. It's a fake account, meaning that what audio money, you cannot withdraw it. So it's just there for practicing, to learn how to trade. So now you fill these details: your name, your second name, date of birth, your email address, that's it. So once you are done putting your details, now you see here is your login, here's your password. So this is the tool you can use to log in your demo account. Now you see new account created successfully. So that's it, guys. That's how to create a demo account to use in trading, to use to practice your trading. So you'll not be losing real money. You will not also be making real money. This is a demo account. A demo account is an audio money. You cannot withdraw most of the profit you make on this account. So it's an account to help you test your skill. It's there to help you grow and learn. So you can choose to restrict it or whatever you want to do for your password, your login, or whenever you maybe you misplace it or you cannot log in again. All you have to do is to create a new one. You understand? But I have asked you to keep one account so you can keep track of your growth. So that is one way to create accounts. The second way you can create an account, the second way is by going to your Chrome. You go to your Chrome browser or your Google. So when you enter your Chrome or your Google, then just type JEREH. You do JEREH login or JEREH.com. So JEREH.com. Sorry. JEREH.com. Just search. So once you search JEREH.com, you see it will show you different options. This is the second way to create a demo account. So this is for beginners. You understand? Okay, once you see that, you see login here. You see login at this point. So for those that have not logged in, just sign up, because this is what you can use to also fund your account, live account. So for now, let's just do on demo account. So as you can see, I have logged in now. I've logged in. I have 0.39 USD here. It has been a while. I've now used this broker to trade for a long period of time now. But I'm just using it for a tutorial purpose. You understand? So this is one of the best broker in Nigeria. This is one of the best and trusted broker in Nigeria. So once you go to then derive or derive.com and you register with them, then you can log in. After you have logged in, to create a demo account, what you have to do is to come. You see yeah, there is re account. You see demo. So click the demo account. Now once you click the demo account, there's an amount here. They have derive trader, they have derive what, they have smart money contract. They are also smart trader, they have derive go. So you can select any of these options, but for the sake of this tutorial I'll be going for derive or derive trader option. That's what I'm going for this. So I'll just click this open, and they want me to adjust my screen size. Okay, so I've adjust my screen size now. So let's go back. So this is the demo account we want to open now. So here is the demo account. Sorry, let's come back. Open. I don't want to trade, but alright. So now, so here's the demo account. So you click demo account. It was here before. Make sure say it's at this CFDS, not options. CFDS. Now you can get any of the account: standard account, financial account, swap free, zero spread, gold union. So now I want us to go for the standard account for the sake of this tutorial. Standard account. So you can click on the standard account. Now they are telling you to put your password. So if you don't have password, just click forget password, or you see create password. But I have, so I'll put my password. So I did forget password just now. I click forget password because I forgot my password. As I said, it has been a while since I used this broker. So they have sent in an email notification to my email right now. So let me just go to my email. As you can see it here. So change password. Now I want to put my new password. Okay, so back to demo account, CFDS. Now standard account. So put in new password. I've copied already. So add account. Now click on the continue. So you see, it was 10,000 accounts size that were added. So now what you do is that you click this open, click this open. So the reason is they're open to get your login and your password. So now the broker we're using is JEREH.com. See the broker here, JEREH.com limited. So just click on the copy, then go to your MT5, search that broker, just paste it there, search. Now this is the broker. So you are going for your login now. You put in your login here to where you see login. So come back, copy your login. Now your password you put, that password you put is what you will type in this. Your password to this password is that password you created. So let me type my password. So you see this 3,000 account was created. See it here, and see 10,000 account was created here. In the same way, but we use two different process. You understand? So using the app is easier than using the website. So the website, you can use it if you want to use for real accounts. So here's the 3,000 accounts. Say login, which you have to go copy the login. Let me log in this one back. Okay, this 3,000 accounts. The login, I screenshot it though. So I just show you two ways that you can create an account. So if you look here now, you see there are many pairs here that you don't even know, and most of these pairs are not what you'll be trading. You understand? So we'll come to this. Now this is your asset. This is the pair here. You see this is gold, SAD USD. This is silver, XAG USD. But with time you understand this. So this is the asset. This is what you'll be trading. So you can delete from here and you can add to it by clicking this plus sign. So if you click this plus sign, sorry, this sign, what be like a barrel. It's gonna look like a barrel. Yeah. So just click it, then select this delete. So you can choose to delete those ones that you don't want. This one, we cannot delete this one because it's what we are in, like it's open in the chat already. Here's the chat, so we cannot delete it, except the one we want to trade, we have enter it and open it. For instance, I want to add an Euro USD. So Euro USD, just click on the plus sign and it's added already. Yes, it. So I open the chat. Now I'm in Euro USD. So what I will do now is to delete this saver. So edit, then delete saver. And so I have only Euro USD here to trade. So that's it. It's not difficult. This trading the asset. This how to add asset and delete asset on your MT5 to focus on only a particular asset you want to trade. So this is for a newbie. I don't want the video to be too long, and so I'll be stopping it here. The next video I'll be breaking down trading view for the newbie. So if you watch this video to the end, I want you to go open an account, a demo account, then send screenshots. You understand? Open a demo account, send screenshots. So that is your assignment. In fact, everybody, whether you are a newbie or not, create a demo account, send screenshots to the group chat. Send me screenshots.